कंगना रनावत ने दीपिका पादुकोण को अटैक करने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ा है. Once news broke of Deepika's name cropping up in the chats related to banned substances, Kangana was amongst the first to attack Deepika yet again, referring to her as a so-called high society star child. Number 1. Professional rivalry. Who is the queen after all? According to some sources, the problem began when Deepika won the Best Actor award for Happy New Year and decided to dedicate the award to Kangana, who didn't win any award for Queen. Kangana was reportedly miffed that she didn't call her directly to appreciate her performance. While things did improve temporarily, clashes over their remuneration and the debate over who was the highest paid actor in Bollywood reignited their Cold War. After Deepika was paid 15 crores for Padmavat, Kangana allegedly demanded the same fees too, and she is rumored to have been paid 14 crores for the film Manikarnika. Their professional rivalry seems to be a classic case of mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the real queen of Bollywood after all? Number 2. Ego clashes. Jitne bade stars, utne bade unke egos. After the clash over the award for Best Actress in 2014, Deepika invited Kangana for a screening of Piku and also to the film's success party, which Kangana graciously attended. But when Deepika gave the Tanu Weds Manu Returns screening a miss, it didn't go down well with Kangana, who took it as an insult. She had commented then to a newspaper, "I did extend an invite to Deepika, but I never got a response." The actor also didn't like Deepika's comments to a publication about their Cold War being one-sided and irrelevant. Safe to say the Cold War has now intensified so deeply it may never thaw. Number 3. Political differences. Another major clash between the two stars occurred when Deepika chose to show solidarity with the JNU student protesters, which Kangana said she wouldn't have done. She commented, "She is within her democratic right. She has not stepped out of line. If you ask me and if I am given a choice, I would never go to a place and stand behind the Tukde Tukde gang." Later, while taking a jibe at actor Swara Bhaskar, who also was involved in the protests, Kangana accused Deepika of charging a fee to make an appearance at the student protests, which was a huge national issue earlier this year. Number 4. Remarks over depression. Kangana's most recent attacks against Deepika come in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, calling Deepika a self-proclaimed mental illness patient and mocking Deepika's posts. Kangana went ahead to call her efforts as a depression ka dhanda in several posts. Bollywood's "Repeat after me, depression ka dhanda chalane walon ko public ne unki औकात दिखा दी" were some of the comments made by Kangana. It's unfortunate that two talented, powerful female actors have chosen to battle instead of collaborate to create more opportunities and break glass ceilings together. One can only hope that someday Bollywood celebrities will stand by and support each other in difficult times instead of celebrating another's difficulty or dismissing their feelings as irrelevant.